ಗಲ್ಫ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. UAE ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಅರಬ್ ಎಮಿರೇಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ದುಬೈ ಅಬುಧಾಬಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಶಾಪ್. This is the dry fruits and specially chocolate shop of dry fruits and chocolates also available for here. Today I will show one this is the almond. This is the cardamom. More varieties of the pistachio, salted pistachio, normal pista. This is the sunflower seeds, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, corn seeds, walnuts,
this is choco dates. It means chocolates, dates, and almond inside. We have lavender, every kinds of chocolates. We have these are all chocolates. We have all confectionery. We have.
This is the watermelon seeds. This is the dry coconut. This is the dry ginger, dry strawberry, dry mango, dry kiwi, dry pineapple, dry apricot, dry papaya.
So we have herbal also. So we have chocolates, many types of kind of chocolates we have. So anything you can find in our shop. We have also spices. Comes from India, Iran, from Iran also. So we have many things. Saffron we have, honey we have honey, olive oil, raisins, dates we have, Saudi dates, everything we have. This is
the dry figs.
Afghani figs. We have Iranian rations, and also we have big rations, and also monaqa. We have black rations from Afghan. We have also Iranian, another type of rations. This also from Iran. This is also a kind of rations. It's from Afghanistan. We have also apricot, dry apricot. We have. It's come from Afghanistan. So we have dry dates, and we have ajwa dates, we have magroom dates, we have sagai dates, we have safari. And also we have olive oil, and honey. And
Pure honey. This is the original pure honey.
yes, we have also musli safed, ashwagandha, and we have ginseng, satawan. We have different types of herbals we have. These are all medicines, herbs.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.